Hello and welcome to our video on the most useful commands in Unix. Unix is a powerful operating system used by many developers and system administrators. Knowing some of the most useful commands can help you navigate and manage your system more efficiently. So let's get started. Our first command is ls, which stands for list. This command is used to display the contents of a directory. For example, if you want to see all the files and directories in your current directory, you can simply type ls and hit enter. This command is particularly useful when you're trying to find a file or directory in a complex directory structure. The next command is cd, which stands for change directory. This command is used to change the current working directory. For example, if you want to move to a directory named documents, you can type cd documents. This command is particularly useful when you need to navigate through different directories. The third command is pwd, which stands for print working directory. This command is used to display the current working directory. For example, if you want to know the full path of your current directory, you can type pwd and hit enter. This command is particularly useful when you need to know the location of a file or directory. Our next command is cp, which stands for copy. This command is used to copy files or directories from one location to another. For example, if you want to copy a file named file.txt from your current directory to a directory named backup, you can type cp file.txt backup. This command is particularly useful when you need to create backups or duplicate files. The fifth command is mv, which stands for move. This command is used to move files or directories from one location to another. For example, if you want to move a file named file.txt from your current directory to a directory named backup, you can type mv file.txt backup. This command is particularly useful when you need to organize your files or move them to a different location. The sixth command is rm, which stands for remove. This command is used to delete files or directories. For example, if you want to delete a file named file.txt from your current directory, you can type rmfile.txt. This command is particularly useful when you need to free up disk space or remove unnecessary files. Our final command is man, which stands for manual. This command is used to display the manual page for a command. For example, if you want to know more about the ls command, you can type man ls and hit enter. This command is particularly useful when you need more information about a command or when you're learning new commands. Conclusion music plays. And that's it for our video on the most useful commands in Unix. We hope this video has been helpful and that you can start using these commands to make your work on Unix more efficient. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.